Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or should I say welcome back. If it's your first time here, I'm Kels and I do natural hair tutorial and explore hair growth treatment. So if you're interested in that, please do consider to subscribe to my channel. And if you're a long time subby, welcome back fam. So today I'll be exploring a Caribbean hair growth secret that we've all been missing out on, and that is something special. I'll be using cactus for hair growth with another special ingredient that you'll find out. So I saw this from another YouTuber. I believe her name was Unive Hair Sole, and I saw her did this and I decided I am definitely going to try it since I have all these ingredients in my backyard. So it's perfect to try, and let me tell you guys, she wasn't lying. It is amazing, and I would recommend you to definitely give it a try also. So the first thing I'm actually going to start off with is the okra plant. So basically I went outside and I picked some okra, and I'm just going to start by cutting the stems off them. Once I finish cutting off the stems, I'm just going to cut them into small pieces. Guys, I won't be doing a lot of narration because this is so straightforward and I'm doing everything in detail. So you'll be able to see exactly what I am doing. So I'm starting off by just folding the leaves and then just slicing them up. And then I'm going to just add them to the water. Okay guys, as you can see, I'm just rubbing the plant together in the water just to make it get more, get that sticky, creamy, gooey consistency. And let me tell you guys, it felt so amazing to scratch it like that. Can you believe the amount of, oh my god, it's amazing guys. So let me just continue. I was really enjoying myself actually scratching these together and feeling the water starting to thicken. So I'm just adding some okra, just actually 2 okra to it, just to help strengthen with the thickness of the water. Once I add the okra, then I'm just going to move in with my cactus plant. And what I am doing here is actually I'm going to cut off some of the sections because I didn't need some parts in the water mixture. So I'm just going to actually kind of peel it and then just slice them up and add it to the water. And then I'm just going to leave the water for a couple of minutes because today's my wash day. I'm just going to leave it for a couple of minutes so that all the ingredients can blend properly together. After about 2 hours, you can let it stay even longer. I got something to strain it in, and look at that, guys. You can see the richness of the water, how thick it is. The color even changed. Oh my god, guys, that is so beautiful. Now I'm not going to add any other additional items to it, but you can if you want. You can, if you want to use it as a shampoo, you can add your normal Castile shampoo to it and just use it as a shampoo, or if you want to use it as a conditioner or as a hair growth spritz. I have some other videos on that, so you can check it out. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys.